In this video, I want to show you how to create a part in Fusion 360 on the CNC router from one of these lamp designs here. Alright, first thing I want you to do is go into the lighting design project, then go into the CAD assembly practice. If you haven't already downloaded this file, download it now by clicking on it. You are not going to do the assembly for this one. With this video, you are going to create a part on the CNC router from this file. So in here, I'm going to go to File, Open, or this File button here too, and then Open from my computer. And then we're going to go to CAD Assembly Practice.f3d and open that up. All right, we're going to pick a part that you could make out of this on the CNC router, and I am going to do I'm going to do this base right. I'm going to do the arm just because it's the simplest. So I'm going to go to Create. Switch from design to manufacture. Then I'm going to change my units from millimeters to inches. Then I'm going to go to setup and new setup, or click on that button right there. I don't want to cut all of these parts out right now. I want to cut out just one of them. So I'm going to go to select the model in this first setup window, go to select, and I'm going to select just this piece right here. Z needs to be going up and down, so I'm going to grab the not pointy end of the arrow but the straight end of the arrow and then click on any vertical line. I want my x-axis to go the long way and my y-axis to go the short. If I needed to reorient that, I could orient the x-axis with this long line here, but it's already done. I'm going to click once on the origin and click once down in the corner here to put this down. So the X is going the long way, the Y is going the short way, and the Z is going up. I'm going to go to stock, change my offsets to 0, and click OK. To cut this part out, I need to use the other file that hopefully you saved from last time, but if you didn't, here's how you get it. You go into the materials folder of our class, go back to the desk organizer project, and go back to download pencil holder CNC v3.f3d. Click on it once, click on it again, and then we're going to go back into Fusion and File, Open, Open from my computer, and get that pencil holder file open right here. You only need one type of toolpath to cut this out. We have no pockets, we have no roundovers, we only need this one. So we're going to right click on it, copy, back to this file here, right click, paste, click OK, down arrow to find the one here. We're going to need two of these, so I'm going to right click on setup one and paste again, also click OK. And the reason we need two is the first one needs to do all inside cuts and the second one needs to do outside cuts. That way the pieces don't move around while we're cutting them. Right click on the first one, edit, geometry, not the top circle, but the bottom circle. Like that. Other side, and that's all that toolpath does. Click OK. Now, right click on the second toolpath, edit, geometry, bottom line, outside contour, and click OK. It's ready for the machine. Let's send it to the machine now. Right click on setup one, click on post process. This should be shopbot open SBP. If you can't find it, search in here, SBP. It's not the HandyBot one, it's the ShopBot Tools ShopBot Open one. Oh, if this happens to you, how did I fix this problem? Crap. Oh, you can click local and save there. Let me do that one more time in case that happens to you. It shouldn't happen to you, but sometimes it does. Choose another location, local, select folder, copy to post. There we go. All right, put your name in here, and also the size of the stock, which in this case is 12 by 1.25. And I'll show you where I get that in a second. And your output folder here is where you select your flash drive. Then you click the post button. If you can't see the post button, you might have to make the window smaller and move it up to see the post button on your screen. So where did I get that stock value from? It's right here. Right click on setup, go to edit, and in the stock tab here it says 12 by 1.25 by 0.5. So all three of those numbers should be in your post file so we know how big it needs to be cut out of. So when you post out Blake 12 by 1.25 by 0.5. And then I would post it to my flash drive. All right, that's how you make a part. You can do that with any one of these parts on here that you want to create.